What's up, guys? Like, subscribe, ring the bell for notification bell will be there. Hey guys.
Talking to yourself again?
Yes, I am. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, good day, hanging out today. Guys, love this weather today. Yeah. Everybody's still coming. You know, chilling?
Yeah.
Oh, good? Cool. Look at that. Look at cloud coming in. That is very cool. Right.
Touch the,
Oh, good. Okay. Let's go to the walk a little bit. Yeah. What's up? Yeah, okay. Everybody know other cars. Cool. Okay. Let's go to the walk a little bit. Cool. I want to see this. Just clouds. That would be awesome. Right. Cool. All good. We're gonna walk a bit. Hey guys, look at this cloud. Check it out. This quality is in 4K 24 per second. The best, right? That's right. Oh, good. Guys, look at this weather today. It's nice. It is windy right now. Look at that. Look at that cloud. They're coming in. Yeah, that's cool. All good. And new video video today. I was eating dinner right now, having a McDonald's. Yeah. That's cool. Look at that weather, guys. That's it. That's rumble of guys. Did you hear that? Rumble of thunder. You guys are having a thunderstorm, guys. I heard a big thunder right now. Listen. This is awesome. Yeah, that is a thunderstorm coming right now. You see it right now? Right. A thunderstorm. I heard a thunder. Guys, listen to this thunder. Thunderstorms. Just listen. Guys, just listen to this storm. We're having a small hail coming down. I wanted to get that huge lightning on video. That'd be awesome, right, guys? Yeah. Oh, good. This is cool. Yeah. I got good picture content on. I've been putting on YouTube. Yeah. I say that. Oh, watch out. There's cops coming. Yep, they're coming on me. Yeah. Good. Let's go over here. See, it's better. Man, that's rain crazy right now. That thing. That got to in my eyeball. That hurt. I'll show you. It's like one of these. Oh, wait. Yeah, guys, these went into my eyeball. That hurts. Look at that. So this ain't it got to in my eye. Not that. That hurt. That wind. That wind. It blows that thing. I told you on camera. That hurt on my eyeball. Hurts a lot. Let's say that. Let's see. Here's lightning on me there. That'd be awesome. Let me get it off camera. Yeah. Oh man, still hurt. Oh yeah, I love this. There it is. I'll play right here. Listen to this weather. This weather's nice. I put a hashtag thunderstorms. What's that? Hashtag thunder. I put a hashtag thunderstorms. Hashtag thunder. Yeah. Hashtag thunder. Here comes some wind, guys. The wind's blowing again. Oh, that's a nice weather. Guys, this is a good video. Whoa! See that lightning, guys? This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Guys, I need to head back right now. See that huge lightning bolt? I'm going back right now. This is so cool, you got a camera. Yeah, guys, you literally showed that lightning, right? Right. Oh my god. That's so awesome. This is cool. This is the best video ever, guys. Guys, smash the like button in this video. That thunderstorm right now. Here's lightning on video. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Yeah. This is a big video, y'all. I'll put it on my main channel. Yes. My main channel. Yes, I put it on Deputy Dog. Yeah, I put on Deputy Dog Storm Chaser Vlog. Maybe I'll put it on there. What else think? Put it on my guys, I'm gonna put it on my main channel, Scott Said Vlog, or Deputy Dog Storm Chaser Vlog. What do you guys think? Let me know. I think about it, guys. Maybe I put it on my main channel right now. Yeah, what do you want? Next storm, guys. Next storm, I'll put it on my other channel, Deputy Dog channel. Yeah. This is so cool. That lightning. That is so cool. They're back right now. That's cool. Hey guys, thank you for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Subscribe. Ring the bell for the notification bell to be out there. See you guys next time. See you guys next video, guys. Love you. Peace out.